master. I am glad to serve you.
Today we will be looking at Minsu's latest robotic vacuum. I'm not sure about the exact model of this. I'll post it somewhere on the screen and in the description below. But first, let's look at the features and a cleaning performance test later on. If you haven't subscribed, please do click that subscribe button below and the bell icon right beside it to get the latest updates and videos that I upload. So to save on time, I took out everything out of the box. So here's the box of the Minsu. And at first glance, this robot is a bit unique in that it's not quite round, but it's not quite square. It has round edges here. And here's a close look at the buttons on top. With the Minsu brand, this would be the IR sensor of the robot. So you'll get, aside from this robot, you'll get this remote control. It does not come with any batteries. I don't see any batteries inside the box, so you will need two AAA batteries for this. You'll also get a mop that you can attach underneath the robot, and there are 4 side brushes. 2 are extra just in case it breaks or it wears out. And this would be the charging dock where the robot will dock or end charge after it's done its cleaning cycle. So if you turn underneath, let's see how this robot looks like. So it has a motorized brush here, and you can attach these side brushes by pushing it down. You don't need any, it doesn't need any screws to secure it in place. It just clips on. And this would be the caster wheel that steers the robot. These are the charging points. And the cliff sensors are here. So this robot should not fall off cliff points like your stairs. And this one can be replaced. This motorized brush would work best on carpet. But if you have bare floors and you don't want to deal with pet hair or hair wrapping around this brush, you can use this attachment that will work on bare floor. So let me just show you how you remove it. Just remove these 2 clips here on each side. Remove the motorized brush and attach this in its place. It's very simple to do. Attaches right below this here. So you can use this to mop and vacuum at the same time. This mop also doubles as a water tank. You can pour in water on the opening here behind this water tank slash mop bracket. And this is a microfiber cloth. I would not suggest using this as a replacement to your traditional mop. This is you can use this mainly to dry mop relatively clean floors. Don't expect this to clean dirty soiled floors. You'll also get this manual, instruction manual, that comes in English, mostly in English, and it does have an app, and this robot is compatible with Alexa. So if you have Alexa, you can use this with that device. It also comes with a quick start guide, just to give you the do's and don'ts of owning a robot vacuum. It also comes with an extra mop, just in case you need to wash the first mop. You can use this second one while this one is drying up. And this manual also gives you instructions on how to install and use the app. So you just scan this QR code if you want to use the app. You can also use the remote if you don't have a mobile phone or a smartphone. The bin is located right below this door. So let me just quickly show you. To remove, just pull this handle and pull it out. And it does have a HEPA filter right at the back. It's not big. I expect it to be bigger, but it doesn't hold a lot. So this would be the HEPA filter. And it also comes with an extra So this filter isn't washable. It has another filter here and a mesh filter right in front of it. So we will find out in the cleaning test how effective this filter is. This robot also comes with a cleaning brush. It has two sides, a bristle side and this hook, comb side that helps you remove hair that may be wrapped around this brush. So this robot is auto volt. You can use it 110 or 220 volts. So this is usable anywhere in the world. Just make sure to get the right plug type. This is the standard plug in the place where I live in the Philippines. And this plugs to this charging dock here, right on the side. And looking at the dock, it has these rubber strips that prevent it from slipping on the floor, which is a nice touch added by Minsu. Okay, before I start the cleaning test, I will weigh the bin empty. So what I'll do is, after the cleaning test, I will weigh the bin again and subtract the difference, so to give you a more accurate number for the cleaning test. So the bin empty is 159 grams. For the cleaning test, I scattered around 40 grams of Quaker Oats powder and dirt all over the floor, just to give you an idea what this robot has to deal with. I'm just showing you different areas of the room. So let's see. I'll let this robot run for around 20 to 30 minutes and see how it goes, how much it can pick up. Here's how the room looks like. It's pretty messy. Lots of dirt scattered on the floor. I'll just give you a close look. So we'll see how much dirt it picked up in a bit. Just showing you the different parts of the room again, just to give you an idea of what's left. Okay, now let's check the bin and see how much it weighs with the dirt. So I just want to quickly show you what's inside. And let's turn on the bin, the weighing scale, excuse me. So the weight of the bin full is 192 grams. 192 minus 159, which the weight of it empty, is 33 grams. So the Minsu was able to pick up 33 grams of the 40, which isn't bad, but it's not up to par with the other robot vacuums like the Xiaomi or the iLife that I tested before this.